Good evening, just a quick catch up. Having done a video earlier on today about how to set up, how to fret level this thing and set up this Floyd-Rose thing and basically breathe new life into this old antique Yamaha. And the point I was making while I was doing the fret leveling was to show how precision fret leveling allowed me to end up with an action of around 1.5 millimeters using the tunable fret leveling tool. Anyway, the point being, this is just a kind of catch up, just to show you how it turned out. Frets play fantastically, absolutely beautifully, stays perfectly in tune no matter what I do to it. This is what I loved about this guitar in the first place. It's a battered old thing and it's got a load of bad lacquering on the neck that I did in obviously what was a damp conditions, and it got some that white bloom stuff, but it doesn't matter to me. This thing plays fantastic. Such a great old beastie. The Yamaha SE350H from back in about 1986, something like that, 1987, brought back to life. Not the beautiful looking thing, but I could play this thing quite comfortably all night long because it stays in tune. Whether it's in full-on grunge mode or whether it's clean sound, acoustic sound. What I like about this is it's got one volume control, three-way switch, three choices, totally dependable. Tremolo, and this is with new strings on, so I've stretched them, taken the loose slack out of them. Apart from that, they've stayed rock solid for the last 20 minutes of playing, so that's why I like this guitar, and that's why I waited a year to find one of these in trashed condition. But I've now got one that, well, I'm not even sure I'd want to sell. Just love it. Sorry, crappy effects. Like the 80s all over again. there we have it. And having done that fret leveling, which if you watched the previous video you will have seen, all the way up. Bends everywhere. The only thing you can't do with a guitar like this is you can't quite palm mute it. You can, you have to get right in the corner there, which is a bit odd. So sweet. Okay, there you have it. If you see one of these, cheap, grab it. Takes a bit of work to get it right. Once you get it right, like this, action set right, tremolo working, you've got a guitar that you can hammer all night long in rehearsal or in even playing live, and it won't go out of tune, and it will serve you faithfully. You can't say that about too many guitars even now. I think, well, I don't know how much this cost me, but it was well under 100 quid. But you know, hard work, like I say. Yamaha SE350H. They do a SH version as well, which is the first one I got my hands on, which was my sister's, and I liked it so much that I was very upset to give it back, so I vowed that I'd find another one. It took me a year to find this one. But I did. So there you go. Nice old-fashioned guitar, plays brilliantly though. See you soon.